So this is an example of 3 levels of reporting. What we see here is an exec level dashboard. The use case here is to compare PayPal's new onboarding flow against the existing onboarding flow. What we see here, treatments are the 2 variants of the new flow against the control, which is the classic flow. So what execs care about are the conversion rate, that is number of accounts created over the number of starts. We see here the statistical significance test, where at one glance a user can understand which metric is doing better and whether it is statistically significant or not. Apart from this, there are a few other metrics such as FI addition and activation rates also, which the execs care about. Moving on to another level, this is a fallout summary where an analyst can understand how or where the users drop off and what are the reasons behind it. So we see here there are about 6 different reasons why users can fall out during the onboarding flow, such as there could be an error or they can deviate. So one can dig further to understand where users deviate to at another view, where users see what are the pages that users deviate to and what do they click, which link do they click to deviate. And there are also errors that are getting captured here. So that said, there are also a few other views, such as one can observe the trends, and then the traffic, one can observe the traffic as to the number of visits and number of and the split of the visits. So there, despite all these views, there may be few questions that cannot be answered within this view. So for which we have a SQL cube underneath this. So this is how the data typically looks like when we extract it in Excel. We have around 30 fields. And if you have to answer a question such as why the FI addition is low, we see that the FI addition of the treatment is lower than control. So we can quickly dig in within an hour's time, an analyst can find the answer. So here is an example of the answer. We see 3 different pages that users land on upon creating an account, and we see that the card addition rate alone is lower for users who land on the 50/50 page. This is because of an error in messaging. And we also have an issue with the second page, the BML pages, the bug was causing lower FA addition rate. So this is an example of deep dive analysis which is beyond the scope of the Tableau report.